Welcome! Today, we're exploring the unexpected impact that white rice, a staple in many diets, can have on our health. Despite its widespread consumption, white rice isn't as innocent as it may seem. Its effects can be quite significant when it comes to our overall well-being. Remember, the food choices we make matter, and being informed about the potential effects of white rice can greatly influence our health journey. Eating a lot of white rice often is like eating a lot of sugar. It can cause weight gain and lead to various adult diseases, such as cancer and immune system problems. The problem with white rice is that it's digested and absorbed quickly. However, you can make white rice healthier by adding a spoonful of certain ingredients while cooking. These ingredients can remove harmful substances that cause oxidative stress, which is linked to reduced immune function, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and many other health issues. Brown rice keeps its outer parts, called bran and germ, which have about 95% of the rice's nutrients. But white rice is brown rice that's been polished, meaning its outer parts are removed, along with most of its nutrients, leaving only about 5%. Because white rice loses the bran, it digests fast, causing a quick spike in blood sugar after you eat. When you eat white rice, your blood sugar levels rise quickly. This makes your pancreas release a lot of insulin to bring your blood sugar back to normal. The sugar is stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen, but any extra is turned into fat, which can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Eating foods that cause rapid spikes in blood sugar often can lead to a condition called insulin resistance, where both insulin and blood sugar levels are high. Insulin resistance can lead to various health problems, including obesity, adult diseases, and issues with your immune system. In the past, when rich people ate a lot of white rice, they often developed health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, and problems with their blood vessels. This was sometimes called white rice syndrome, or rich man's disease. Brown rice has the bran and germ, which are full of vitamins and minerals that help digest carbs and support various body processes. If you only eat white rice and cut out other nutritious parts, your body might not get enough enzymes to digest food properly. This means you won't absorb nutrients well and can't get rid of toxins efficiently. Then, waste builds up in your body, causing stress and possibly leading to diseases like cancer and other common health issues. People often say rice is medicine, but plain white rice isn't all that healthy. However, you can make it better by adding certain things to it. This makes what's called colored nutritional rice. Here are some ingredients you can add to colored nutritional rice dishes. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, a key ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine, has caught attention for its health benefits, especially its active component called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and fights inflammation, which boosts immunity, eases muscle pain, and keeps skin healthy. It also helps the liver by cutting oxidative stress and might be good for metabolism, regulating blood sugar and pressure. Mixing curcumin with piperine from black pepper can make it absorb better up to 20 times more. Putting turmeric in coffee can make it even healthier, reducing inflammation in blood vessels and cutting down on oxidative stress. Next is beets. Beets are full of beta-cyanine and nitrates, which help make blood and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and helping your body detox. They also have antioxidants like anthocyanin and polyphenols, which boost your immune system and might help fight cancer. But don't go overboard. Too many beets can cause issues like changes in your hemoglobin or kidney problems, so it's best to eat them in moderation. If you're having white rice, adding a spoonful of oil, like perilla oil, before or during your meal can slow down how fast your body absorbs the rice. This helps keep your blood sugar from spiking too quickly. Just remember to add perilla oil after cooking to keep its omega-3 fatty acids fresh and not let them oxidize. Number 3. Kelp or burdock. Adding kelp or burdock to rice can make it even healthier. Kelp gives you important minerals, while burdock has inulin and palmitic acid, which can help lower blood sugar, clean out your liver, and make your kidneys work better. It also helps with digestion and boosts your immune system. The Society of Food and Nutrition did research showing that mixing different grains like glutinous rice, brown rice, sorghum, millet, and red beans with rice makes it even healthier. Choosing a blend of 5 grains gives you the most benefits without losing what's special about each grain. This way, you can customize your rice to fit your specific diet needs. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins, which are antioxidants that help your body detoxify and fight against oxidative stress, keeping you looking younger. It also boosts your metabolism and activates enzymes that break down fat, which can help with weight loss. Drinking green tea or adding it to your meals can help manage oxidative stress, which is important for keeping your immune system strong and preventing diseases. Number 5. Perilla oil. Adding a spoonful of oil, like perilla oil, before or during your meals can slow down how fast your body absorbs white rice. This helps prevent sudden spikes in your blood sugar levels. Perilla oil is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good for you. Remember to add it after cooking to keep those healthy fats fresh and stop them from going bad. Using perilla oil regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels better, lowering the risk of insulin resistance and the health problems that come with it. Lastly, mixed grains. A study by the Society of Food and Nutrition showed mixing different grains with rice, like glutinous rice, brown rice, sorghum, millet, and red beans. This combination makes rice more nutritious by adding a wider range of important nutrients. The study suggested choosing a blend of 5 grains to get the most nutritional benefits while still keeping the unique qualities of each grain. This way, you can customize your rice to fit your specific dietary needs, making sure you're getting a good mix of all the important nutrients your body needs. In short, eating a lot of white rice can cause health issues like weight gain and adult diseases because it's digested quickly, but adding certain ingredients can make it healthier. Things like turmeric, beets, perilla oil, kelp or burdock, green tea, or mixing different grains with rice can boost its nutrition and support overall health. These simple changes can help prevent problems linked to white rice and keep us healthier. Thanks for joining me and learning about how white rice affects our health and discovering ways to make it better. If you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on nutrition and staying healthy. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see in future videos. Let's work together to make choices that keep our bodies strong and healthy.